Hey, I'm Ashley Morell with Tommy Williams Homes, Gainesville's green builder. We're here in beautiful Oakmont and looking at the Landrie floor plan today. Wanted to just bring to your attention some pavers that we can do here on the sidewalk and driveway. Welcome inside. You do have 2 guest bedrooms up front. Bypass shower doors and some quartz countertops in here. So you'll notice this home is pretty messy. We're getting ready to finish up the final touches on it. Right next to me is the laundry room. We've got some laundry sink and custom cabinets. And then I also wanted to point out some beautiful wood plank tile floor. The owner's suite is off to the side. Got a lovely glass enclosure. Dual closets for his and her. And a spacious bedroom. So the Landrie is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. It's 1711 square feet and starts at $314,400. Out here is our beautiful lanai. This homeowner has added in additional landscaping back here. Quite the lovely back porch. So you have got great room, dining room, kitchen. The kitchen is a very big island, plenty of room for bar stools. It features a silestone quartz countertop. It's called Pulsar. It has black, gray, and gold flecks in it. Beautiful backsplash and wonderful home. So thank you again for touring the Landrie home with us, this 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1711 square feet. Please call me for a tour of any of our homes. My number is 352-335-4140, and you can also visit our website at tommywilliamshomes.com. Thanks again.